choosing Adore Me. We appreciate your business. Our kits are designed to help you learn, explore and extend your capabilities so that you can reach your fullest potential. Adore Me kits encompass everything from assembly, classroom theory, videos, technology overview and real-life applications, market trends, career guidance and other project ideas and much more. At Adore Me Technologies, we ensure you that our kits are of the highest standard. Buy Adore Me and get certified today. Get Adore Me certified today. For details, please log on to www.adoreme.com. Thank you.
LEDs 1 and 3 indicate backward movement of the robot. This happens when the infrared sensors detect the black line and the robot reverses its direction to stay within the specified boundary. Switch 1 is for resetting the robot and make it function normal when the robot ceases motion or gets stuck at some point. When you put an obstacle within the black line, the Super Sumo detects the object within and will try to bang into the objects with full force. This kit is ideal for robotics competitions and tech fests. As an extension, the microcontroller can be programmed to change the way the robot functions.
Adore Me is aimed at bridging the gap between industry and education by providing build-it-yourself electronic products. Adore Me provides a range of products for every industry, making students better prepared for industry and challenges ahead. Adore Me makes building electronic products easy. It comes with everything you need: power supply, all your components, capacitors, resistors, ICs, LEDs, wires, speakers, PCBs and an instructional CD.
Just insert the CD to get started. Adore Me has a top-down approach, where first you learn about the application, then how to build, and finally the technology behind it. It comes with a component list and a pictorial step-by-step guide. It also contains warnings, what not to do while assembling this kit, testing and troubleshooting tips, videos for configuration and testing. The classroom theory section correlates the theory learnt in class with the product assembled. It first covers the building blocks of the circuit used, then it puts it all together, telling you how the kit was built. Application area covers applications. This product is used in residential, commercial and industries. Creative Corner gives you other project ideas to help you use your creativity. The Career and Market Trends section gives a complete picture of the industry segment. Technology overview, players in this market segment, future of this technology, how big is the market, worldwide and Indian companies to target, number of jobs in the segment, and electives and research institutes for this segment. For first-timers, the Electronics Fundamental section teaches you how to identify and read components, also how to solder and basic troubleshooting instructions. Adore Me also provides a certification program to help students assess their newly acquired skills.
For product-related queries, contact us at sales@adoreme.com. For our product selection guide, visit us at www.adoreme.com. Thank you.
I completed my engineering, started looking for jobs. That's when I realized how important it is to have practical experience. Working at Adobe gave me a whole different perspective. I wish I would have access to Adobe products when I was studying.
I feel that Adobe provides extensive information on industry, market trends and career prospects, which is a very important thing for students.
Connect the control board and webcam with the computer. Run the graphical user interface software. Press on the various directions like right, left, extreme right, etc. You will notice the camera rotation accordingly in the same direction.
I have never assembled an electronic kit. I tried to assemble an Adobe coded telephone kit. The tutorial step-by-step guide and the electronic fundamental make it very easier.
Adobe's most attractive feature is its career and market section provided as part of the kit. When I was ready for placements, I did not know what job functions to expect in the electronics industry. But with this section, I was able to learn more about medical electronics, defense electronics, automotive industry electronics, and what careers and what job functions to expect from those industries.
Mount the accelerometer module on the control board. Now connect the control board with your computer using USB to UART serial cable. Doing so will lit the power indicator LED on the control board. Now run the 3D virtual dice.exe file inside your computer. Soon you will see one window will pop up and it will show one virtual dice hanging at the center. Hold the accelerometer carrying control board in your hand and tilt it along any axis. You can notice that virtual dice starts rotating according to the accelerometer position.
I always like to explore new technologies, but debugging was always a challenge. Adobe provides all the guidance to identify an error and to solve it independently.
This is the NFC Personal Medical Smart Card. Bring the card close to the reader antenna coil. The tag should be in the range 1 to 3 centimeters. If the buzzer produces a beep sound, it means that the card has been accepted for identification. After that, a series of messages is displayed on the LCD screen to show the patient's ID, description, and medical records. If an unauthorized card is swiped, a suitable message for unavailable record is displayed.